Today we're going to be having a look at these PIFCO Winterlights. These are PIFCO Winterlights. They are not to be confused with PIFCO Frosty lights. Frosty lights have a bayonet fit shade that twists on. We will do a video on Frosty lights. There seem to be two different versions of them. As mentioned, the early set has bayonet fit, but there seems to be a later set that looks like it has push fit shades and push in bulbs, but hopefully we can go through that on that video. These shades are push fit. The other difference is the Frosty lights have bigger shades than these. Also, the colours are different. Frosty lights have 6 colours. They have orange, red, yellow, green, blue and a purpley pink. These have the exact same colours, but they do not have the purpley pink, so they've only got the 5 colours. They've got blue, orange, red, yellow and green. It's a set of 20. It's one of the later sets of lights, more like an 80s set. It's push in. These little doodads. The shades are interesting. They are like a collection of small nylon rods that have been cut down, almost like cube shaped, and they've obviously been moulded with some kind of a rod or a cone shoved inside there, which was big enough to allow the bulb holder to fit on. This material is similar to the coating that Woolworth Winfield snowball light had, except this is a coloured material, and on the snowball lights it's a clear frosted material. They're really interesting design. The heat is going to be an issue because it doesn't look like there's any air holes in these shades. Here's some pictures from the archive. We've got a nice 80s design with a winterscape. Similar satellites with this kind of artwork where the Frosty lights, sparkle lights, crystal bells, crystal chandeliers, all a similar era, but these must be one of the first sets that went pushing from screwing. Let's get them turned on. There we go. I obviously didn't put that blue bulb in correctly. But there you go, they work. The colours are really nice and vivid. Just reminds me of Meltis fruit jellies for some reason. Well, that's what the colours are. We've got blue, we've got green, we've got yellow, orange, red, and they're a really unique, interesting set of lights. I find it confusing that they'd have these and Frosty lights when they look so much alike, but these would look really nice on a garland around a fireplace. But there's not much more we can say about these. That's pretty much what they are. They're a 80s PIFCO set, push-in bulbs, probably one of the first sets to have push-in bulbs. And that's all we got for you today. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.